Imagine a volcano taller than Everest, wider than France, with lava at 1400 C. It's not on Earth, it's on Mars. On our planet, volcanoes erupt under oceans, vanish overnight, and create new islands. Today, you'll learn how volcanoes work and 5 facts that shock even scientists. Volcanoes aren't just erupting mountains. They're living systems of Earth, windows into its molten core. Every year, 50-70 eruptions occur on land and thousands more under the sea. Today, we'll break down how a volcano works from magma to crater and reveal 5 shocking facts that show how powerful and mysterious our planet is. A volcano is a geological structure through which magma from deep inside Earth reaches the surface. Key parts: magma chamber, underground reservoir of molten rock, 5-100 km deep. Conduit, main pipe through which magma rises. Crater opening at the top, where lava, ash, and gases erupt. Vent zone, where magma mixes with gases, causing explosions. When pressure builds, magma breaks through the crust and eruption begins. Types of volcanoes: shield volcanoes, broad, with slow-flowing lava, for example, Mauna Loa, Hawaii. Stratovolcanoes, tall, steep, explosive, for example, Vesuvius, Fuji. Calderas, massive craters after catastrophic eruptions, for example, Yellowstone. This isn't just mountains, it's Earth's planetary ventilation system. On Earth, the tallest volcano is Mauna Kea in Hawaii, 10,210 meters from base to peak. Most of it is underwater. But on Mars, there's Olympus Mons, a volcano 2.5 times taller than Everest. Height: 21.9 kilometers from base to peak. Width: 600 km. Volume: 100 times larger than all Earth's volcanoes combined. Why so big? Mars has no tectonic plates. Volcanoes don't move, they grow in one spot for millions of years. Important: its height is measured from Mars' zero elevation datum, not sea level, because there's no sea. This isn't just a volcano, it's the tallest mountain in the solar system. Do you think volcanoes are only on land? Actually, over 70% of Earth's volcanoes are underwater. Along mid-ocean ridges, like the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, there are 80,000 kilometers of underwater volcanoes. They create new crust as magma rises and solidifies. This is called seafloor spreading. Scientists have found millions of seamounts, and most are still unexplored. Some, like axial seamount in the Pacific, are active and can trigger tsunamis. This isn't just underwater mountains, it's the engine of continental drift. On Earth, lava is molten rock. But on icy moons like Europa, Jupiter's moon, and Enceladus, Saturn's moon, there are cryovolcanoes. They erupt water, ammonia, and methane, a cold ice lava. On Enceladus, cryovolcanoes shoot water 300 kilometers into space. NASA believes life could exist beneath their icy shells. This isn't sci-fi, it's the reality of other worlds. In 1980, the US saw one of its worst eruptions, Mount St. Helens. But in 1986, in Cameroon, something incredible happened. Lake Nyos, not a volcano, but a crater lake, released 1.6 cubic kilometer of carbon dioxide in a sudden explosion. The gas, heavier than air, rolled down the slopes and asphyxiated 1,700 people and thousands of animals in one night. This wasn't an eruption, it was a limnic eruption, where gas builds up under a lake and bursts out. Similar lakes exist in Rwanda and Congo. Scientists have installed degassing systems to prevent future disasters. This isn't a myth, it's one of the strangest natural disasters in history. In 2013, a new island appeared in the ocean near Japan. It was a volcanic island formed by an underwater eruption, named Nishinoshima. In 5 years, it grew 12x larger, merged with a nearby island, and became a real crater with active magma. New islands form worldwide. Hunga Tonga, Hunga Hapapai Tonga, 2015, formed after a massive eruption. Surtsey, Iceland, 1963, now a national park. Earth is constantly creating new land. This isn't the end. It's the beginning of a new world. Volcanoes are not a threat. They are the source of life on Earth. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe, and we went to shoot a new video.